Alright, so I'm gonna continue the video and now we're gonna test it. So first thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test the steam wand to make sure it works. So I'm gonna move the dial to here and we'll see what's going on. So the hot water light indicator is flashing, and now I'm just gonna wait and see. Okay, so I can tell already what's the problem. I'll put my microphone just where the pump is, so you can hear the pump. The way the pump works is not good. It's not supposed to work that way. So also the steam coming from here, it's insufficient. So it definitely sounds like there's a problem with the pump. But I'm gonna still continue diagnose it. So now I'm gonna turn it to the water. Just gonna wait until it will drain the water from the drain inlet. Now I'm gonna use the water. So the water seems to be okay. Let's test it for 1 shot of cup of espresso. So this seems to be okay too. And let's test the 2 shots. So definitely you can hear the pump is a little bit seized and the piston is moving a little bit funny, but it's still working. So I would recommend to replace the pump to the client, and we'll see what he says. But I want to check a few more things here. So we'll check the grinder. So there's a switch in here. I'm gonna click on that. So it looks like the grinder is working okay. The grinder mounts are in a correct position. Usually it's between 7 and 8, so that's about right. Everything here seems to be okay. The grinder mount seems to be okay too. I'll test it one more time. Let's play with the grinder mount. So I'm going to move it to a higher amount, and then I will press the switch once again and see. Yeah, so I think everything seems to be alright except the pump. The water pump seems to work a little funny, especially when you do the steam. You can hear, I showed it in the video, that the pump is working funny. I would recommend to replace it. So this is the diagnostics on Breville 870XL, and I recommend to replace the pump on this unit. Otherwise, the coffee machine seems to be working fine and in good condition.